In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return an item on eBay, providing a comprehensive guide that ensures you're well equipped to handle any return scenario. Whether you've received an item that wasn't quite what you expected or it arrived damaged, understanding the return process on eBay can be incredibly helpful. So let's walk through this step-by-step guide together. First things first, to initiate the return process, you'll need to log into your eBay account. Head over to www.ebay.com and sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, the next step is to access your purchase history. You can do this by clicking on My eBay, which is conveniently located at the top right of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Purchase History. This section will list all of your recent purchases, allowing you to pinpoint the item you wish to return. Finding the right item, you'll often notice the More Actions drop-down menu next to it. Click on that and then select Return this item. At this point, the process moves into understanding the reason for your return. eBay provides several options, such as the item not matching the description, arriving damaged, or if you simply changed your mind. Choose the reason that best corresponds to your situation. After providing your reason, you'll need to send a request to the seller. eBay automates the initial notification to the seller so they receive your request promptly. Now, depending on the seller's policy, they may approve your return automatically or ask for more details or photos to better understand the issue. Ensure to respond promptly to any requests for additional information to expedite the return process. Once your return is approved, you're usually emailed a prepaid return shipping label, though this can vary based on the seller's return policy and the reason for the return. Make sure to print this label and attach it securely to your package. Packaging the item securely is important to prevent any further damage during its journey back. Take the securely packed item to the designated shipping carrier, which will be specified on the prepaid label. This step completes the return shipping process. Now, it's just a matter of patience. Upon the item's return, the seller will verify the condition, and if all is well, they will process your refund. Refunds are typically channeled back to your original payment method and usually take around 3 to 5 business days to reflect in your account. Keep an eye on your account during this period to confirm the refund. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward process for returning an item on eBay. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure a hassle-free return experience and get your money back with ease. Thank you for watching.